Trucks are the backbone of our economy and our society. They keep the world moving. To make transport CO2 emission-free, we at Daimler Truck follow a dual-track strategy with two complementary technologies: battery electric and hydrogen-based drives. Some may wonder, why do both? The answer is simple: because we need both. Yes, most zero-emission trucks may be battery electric in the future. But to power all of today's diesel trucks globally with renewable energy, we certainly cannot only rely on one energy source with the electric grid alone. We need a second energy source that can be produced on a large scale in a climate-neutral way. An energy source that can be transported, stored, and distributed. Hydrogen. We are convinced that both battery electric and hydrogen-based drives will be future global mass-market technologies. The only question is, what share will they have each? And this will depend mainly on both renewable energy and infrastructure availability and the vehicle's total cost of ownership, strongly driven by green energy prices. Depending on the general circumstances and individual use case, either hydrogen or battery may be the best solution for our customers. And this may differ from region to region and from customer to customer. Irrespective of the final customer choice, both technologies have one in common. They are CO2 neutral in driving operation and provide a powerful, quiet, and safe ride. By now, we already have a broad portfolio of battery electric trucks and buses in series production globally. And there is way more to come on both the battery electric and hydrogen-powered side on our way to decarbonize our trucks and buses. Ultimately, transport is and remains the backbone of our economy and society. We at Daimler Truck power forward with the right solutions at the right time to shape the future of our industry and to keep the world moving.